Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine at your place. Let us perform the activity on shadows to learn better. Take a long wooden or iron stick and fix it in an open ground as shown in this picture. Mark its shadow on the ground just after sunrise and note its length also. Then, after every hour of the day, note the position and the length of the shadow. You will find that the direction and the length of the shadow changes with time. Record your observations in the following table. In this activity, you will find that the shadow is the longest at sunrise. The shadow is formed in the west direction, that is opposite to the direction of the sun during sunrise. The length of the shadow is the shortest at noon. The shadow is formed just under the object and opposite to the sun, that is the light source. The length of the shadow again increases at sunset, that is during evening. The shadow is formed in the east direction this time as the sun is in the west direction. So direction of the shadow changes with the direction of the sun. If you permanently mark the position of the shadows on the ground for the different periods of time, then by looking at the shadow, you can tell about the time during the day. This method was used for knowing the time in olden days. This device is called sundial or sun clock. Look at this picture of sundial or sun clock. It consists of an iron rod whose shadow falls on the numbers written on the sides, which determines the time during the day. As you have observed that the length and the position of the shadow keeps on changing during different hours of the day, this is the principle on which a sundial works. This is a picture of Jantar Mantar in Jaipur having a sundial. In olden days, scientists used this sundial to know the time. I hope you have understood the topic well. Thank you, children.